In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up a course in Stan Store. First, log into your Stan Store account. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled My Store and click on it. This will bring you to your store page where you can see your store header and a list of any existing products. To add a new course, click on Add Product. A window will appear showing different product types you can create. From this list, choose e-course. This will open up the product editor. In the product editor, you'll see a preview on the right and your product settings in the center. You'll start by setting up the thumbnail, which is the first thing people see. Choose a style for your thumbnail: button, callout, or preview. Next, add an image by clicking Choose Image. You can either select from the images available inside Stan Store or click Upload Image to use a file from your computer. Once your image is set, add your course title. Under that, write a short course subtitle. This should quickly explain what students will learn or gain from the course, ideally in one clear sentence. You can also customize the button text, for example, something like Enroll Here. When you're happy with this section, click Next. Now you'll move on to the checkout page. Here you can upload another image if you want to keep your branding consistent. In the description body field, write a detailed description of your video course. This field supports rich text, so you can format your writing, embed images or videos, and even add links for more context. Edit the bottom title and the call to action button so they clearly encourage people to purchase or enroll. Next, set your price. You can choose between a one-time payment or a subscription. For a one-time payment, simply enter the price. If you want to show a discount, toggle on the discount option and enter the discounted amount. For a subscription, follow the same basic setup, then open the recurring drop-down and choose how often students are charged: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also decide if the subscription should automatically end by turning on Cancel Subscription after and selecting a duration up to 24 months. Below that, edit the information you collect from customers. Name and email are required and can't be removed, but you can add extra fields like phone, text boxes, multiple choice, drop-downs, or checkboxes. When you're done here, click Next. Now it's time to build your actual course. Under the course homepage section, click Edit Page. Here you can add an image, edit your course title and description, and customize your branding. Choose your font, background color, and highlight color to match your brand style, then click Save. You'll notice Stan Store has already created 3 modules for you. If you don't need one of them, click the 3 vertical dots on the right side of that module and choose Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Confirm Deletion to remove it. Each module contains lessons. You can click a module card to expand or collapse it. To edit a lesson, click on it to open the course builder. Inside the lesson, click Select Video. A pop-up will open, letting you choose your course video from your computer. Select your file and click Open or press Enter on your keyboard. After the video uploads, edit the lesson title to clearly describe what this lesson covers. Below that, add a lesson description where you explain what students will learn, key takeaways, or how this lesson fits into the overall course. You can also upload supporting materials for that lesson, such as worksheets, PDFs, templates, or any resources that help students complete the module. When you finish setting up the lesson, click Publish. Sometimes this will take you back to the thumbnail area of the editor. If that happens, just click the Course tab again and continue editing your remaining modules and lessons in the same way. When you've finished all modules and lessons, click Publish at the bottom right under the Course tab. After you publish, wait for the page to reload. You should see a confirmation pop up at the top of the screen, letting you know your course has been successfully created and set up in Stan Store. At this point, your course is ready to share with your audience and start enrolling students.